Hello everyone, my name is Elvira, but some people call me Elvira, just like from that song and movie. I was born in the Republic of Mariel Russian Federation. "12 hours in a car from Moscow to the northeast or 14 hours in a train. This is my parents' house where I was born and grew up. My father Gennady and mother Polina on the right were elementary school teachers, and I was last child, number 8. This is my mother and I in a 3rd grade. I graduated from music college as an baton accordion teacher. I also have an elementary school teacher degree from Pedagogical University in the Republic of Mariel. Three months before finishing my law degree from Moscow University, Cheboksary branch, I, with 2 of my daughters, came to the United States. Now they are grown and have their own families. I like knitting. My mother Polina and sister Lisa taught me how to knit. Unfortunately, today they are no longer alive. For 14 years, I worked for the state of Florida. While I was working for the state of Florida, I met many good people. During this wonderful time, I made scarves for my coworkers. Different colors and styles. Scarf for my husband with his initials. Skirts. Suits. Beret and dresses for little girls. Hoodie for little girl. hoodie for big girl. While I'm knitting, I like to use bright colors. Checkered styles are my favorite. Sweater. Dresses. With little purses. Shawl for evenings. Music is still a big part of my life. I recorded several songs in my native Mari and Russian languages.
Ты мне песню подари, пусть поют в ней снегири, пусть в ней цветет подснежник.
In the picture, I am with Richard Sturban from Oak Ridge Boys. I am also enjoying dressing up my dining room table. And enjoy time with my friends. They are very talented. They are dancing my native dance. I like reading. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget, leave a comment.